Introduction to building a to-do list app.
A to-do list app helps organize tasks and boost productivity. In this guide, you'll learn how to create a basic to-do list using Python. You don't need advanced coding skills, just a text editor and Python installed. This project is a great way to practice programming fundamentals and see instant practical results.
Setting up your workspace.
First, make sure Python is installed on your computer. You can use any simple text editor, such as Notepad or VS Code, to write your code. Create a new folder for your project files. Open your text editor and start a new file called todo.py. You're now ready to start building your app.
Designing the app structure.
A simple to-do app needs to store, display, add, and remove tasks. You can use a Python list to keep track of your tasks. Each task will be a string in this list. Adding functions for viewing tasks, adding new ones, and removing completed items will make the app interactive and useful.
Writing the core functions.
Start by defining functions to show tasks, add and remove a task. For example, create a show task function to display current tasks, an add task function to append new items to the list, and a remove task function to delete completed tasks. These basic functions form the core logic of your app.
Creating the user interface.
For a simple app, a command line interface works well. Use Python's input function to let users choose what to do. View tasks, add a new one, or remove a completed task. Use a loop so users can keep managing their list until they choose to exit. Easy to read instructions for each action.
Testing and using your to-do list app.
Try out your app by adding and removing a few tasks. Check that the functions work as expected. Do tasks show up in the right order? And can they be removed? If everything works, congratulations! You've built a basic functional to-do list app in Python and learned key coding concepts along the way.